Alright, so on this next problem, I've got two more linear equations. This first one has a slope of 5, and the second one has a b value of 0. So the slope is 5 over 1, my b is 0. So I'll plot 0. I'll go up 5 and over 1, up 5 and over 1, or I can go down 5 to the left 1, down 5 to the left 1. This is a dotted line. And it's less than, so I'm going to shade below. This other problem right here is a horizontal line. It says that y is always 0. So if we look at a t-chart, it says y is always 0. X can be whatever you want it to be, but y is always 0. So let me go ahead and change that to blue. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. Y is always 0. It's a solid line. And what it says is, where is y greater than 0? All of these values are greater than 0. These would be less than, so I'll be shading above the line. So the solution to this system, again, is this section right here, the green section. This is the solution to the system, this section. On the next one here, again, we got two lines, and we will just plot those using slope-intercept form. So this one has a slope of 1 and a b of -3, so I'll be going up 1 over 1. So I plot my -3 on my y-axis, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. This is a solid line, and it's less than, so I'll be shading below the graph. The next one here, I would be having y equals 1 and a b is 2. So I get up 1 over 1, so a b is 2, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Well, this is a dotted line. Well, I've got two parallel lines, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to shade, because it says above, I'm going to shade above the line. I missed a little bit, went below there, so ignore that, a little bit below. But what you notice is that they never overlap each other, so there's no green section. So this actually has no solution. There is nowhere where the two shadings overlap, so there is no solution. On this last one, what we're going to do is we're going to write the system of inequalities. So I'm going to start with the dotted line first. This dotted line, it's shaded below, so I'd have y is less than. Y is less than, my y-intercept is 3. And then I'd go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So what I'm doing is down 1 is -1, to the right 1 is 1. And then I'd put an x and a plus sign with it. So really what this system is -x plus 3. So this is one of my solutions. The other one I'm going to look at is this up and down horizontal line. Well, that is an x equals equation, and if you don't remember that, you don't have to. You can just look at each part. This is 2, 1, or 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So every time I'm saying that, notice what's staying the same is the x value. So you'd say that x is 2. Well, we're going to use a greater than, because all these numbers are greater than 2, and we're going to use an equal to sign underneath it because of the solid line. So my system of inequalities would be my two circled inequalities that I've written there.